Okay, let's do this again. Last time just felt a little too clumsy, not relaxed. This time I'm just gonna let it flow. Whatever I come up, whatever I say, I'm just gonna let it flow like water. Okay, to start, we're going to learn about how to determine the volume of a solution required to neutralize the volume of another solution. Now, in this case, we are usually given a unknown solution that we need to figure out its volume or mole number or mass, and usually we have another solution that we are given the volume and the concentration of. So given what we have, the first thing we do is write a balanced chemical equation like it says here. This is actually a hint, not a requirement. Yeah, and it's written out here. Now let's recognize some of these molecules we have here. H3PO4, that is our phosphoric acid, the one we need to figure out. And NaOH, that is our sodium hydroxide, the one we have information about. The next thing we do is figure out their stoichiometry. And this basically means their ratio of like basically how many there are comparing to this and that. So comparing to H3PO4, there are 3 NaOH for each of these. Pretty simple. And their stoichiometry is 1, 2, 3, since H3PO4 is 1 comparing to 3 NaOH. And the next thing you do is find out uh, the molar number of the one of NaOH, the one that we are given information about. And this is 0.057. We get it using this equation. And all of these equations shown here are actually just on a piece of sheet. There are like 9 here, and at first it could be pretty daunting. You don't know what to do. You don't know what equations to use. But after a while, once you get the hang of these and you know all the structures that these questions have, it's pretty easy to get into them and just go on without even referring to this sheet. So the next thing we do is timing the molar number of NaOH by 1 over 3 to get the molar number of our phosphoric acid. So the one we need, now we're getting into it. Now we get into our last step to calculate the volume of phosphoric acid since it is asking for volume. Sometimes it could be asking for just the molar number or just the mass. But when we have volume, no big deal. Just use this equation. V equals N over C. We have the N and C was given. So 0.017 over 0.85 and 0.02 liters. And that's our answer. Pretty easy to get. Simple enough, huh? And that is our study findings for today. And more is coming. Thank you.